All right, I'm going to take you through how to complete the vocabulary.com assignments. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the link here, and what that'll do is that'll take you to a page kind of like this. You will click the sign up with Google button. Once you click that, it'll ask you to write your name, fill in your grade, and the school. The school, obviously Pacific View Charter School. Once you click on that, it'll take you to a new page. You'll see this in the upper right-hand corner. It'll pop up for you. You click Get Started. When you click on that, you will see The House on Mango Street by Sandra Cisneros, or if you're in 9B, you'll see Fahrenheit 451. You will click on this link, and what it will do is it'll take you to or through a series of vocabulary questions. Here's just an example of one. So this one is kind of a multiple choice. There's also fill in the blanks. There's, which picture relates to the vocab word. There's spelling. There's all different kinds of vocabulary questions. So it'll take you through a series of questions, and then it'll come to the end and it'll show you you've finished this round. You will be taking a screenshot of this, showing that you've completed the round, and you will submit the screenshot to the assignment. And that's how you complete the vocabulary.com assignments.